Daisy's asleep.
So that's two.
The flags are great. The TV is really good. Alright, come on, get us fucking touchdown.
Here he comes.
Look at this shot.
Plenty of time. Throws and got it. Touchdown LSU as he throws it to Malik Neighbors. Malik talks about.
What's the atmosphere going to be like as Coach O tries to finish this season going forward?
It's an interesting question because
killing them.
there are
You're
going
killing
to be
the game.
those outside.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go to Montauk, New York. We're about to go to this bike ride. It's gonna be a fun time. She's being rowdy. You okay, Daisy? Yeah, we're gonna go out, okay? What's that? What's that? Yeah, that's pretty naked. It is. My favorite part of the day, continental breakfast.
Boats are fishing out there. Good place for fishing.
Oh my goodness. You see that drop? Guys, look at this edge. Dude, I look at me like that, dude. You want me to fall or something?
It's very steep.
Montauk, New York. Right now, I'm gonna show you guys this view. Look over there. We're 1,000 feet in the air. York. You guys showed us a great time. It was so fun coming out here today. The hotel was nice. The tour was great. Me and my brother had a blast. The people here, the culture was amazing. New York, everything was amazing. Such a great time. Thank you guys.